guess what today is? Today is shopping day, shopping day. Today is shopping day, shopping day. Today is shopping day. Ian has decided that he wants his room redone. So today's shopping day, we're gonna go get some paint and redo his room. He's going for a very modern, contemporary look. So we are going to do a geometric wall, and we're gonna have lots of shelves and built-ins for him. And because of Rona, Ian is also going to have a little office space in his room because he's going to be doing homeschool this year. So let's go shopping.
Well, you just grab multiple. Because I'm checking them as I get them out. Now we need to go get your shelf brackets. 1, 2, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's see. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 14. Alright, and these are the same thing. Ooh, let's not ever squeak like that.
We got shelving. On the geometric wall, and then the trim around the shapes is going to be in this nice light gray, give it a nice pop. So we're going to get this started by taking all these posters down and putting the base color on the whole room. This wall over here is going to be for his home office because Ian is going to do online schooling this year. So we're going to give him a nice little setup where he can store all of his papers, stay organized, and stay on top of things. This wall over here is going to be where his bed's going to be. We're just going to have this nice light gray. Eventually we might end up doing a DIY headboard, and if so, then I'll make sure I post a video on that. as we set the TV down. I smacked him in the forehead and he looked at me like, let me show you something. I saved him. Look at that squashed mosquito. Here we are, we got all the trim down. We got the TV off the wall. Everything's prepped and ready to go. I decided to go ahead and do the trim because I redid the trim in my living room last year and I'm working on the trim in my kitchen right now. So we're gonna go ahead and do the trim in his room as well. We're trying to get it all ready. So. did the one coat, just from the one side to the other side, okay? Now, don't be getting frustrated with me if you already know how to paint. We are teaching the people out there that need help, okay? Everybody needs a beautiful painted room, all right? And I got you, girl or boy, I got you, okay? So, as you can see, we started off, all right, now, as you can see, we started off, we just went all the way across, all right? Now, as it starts to settle, you will see the texture in it change. See right there? See that line? All right? And if you have any runs, see that right there? That's a pookie. We don't want pookies. And don't ask me what a pookie is. I just know that my mom always said they're pookies. So I call it pookie too. But I don't know what the hell a pookie is. But that's a pookie, okay? A run is a little pookie. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a little bit more paint on our brush. We're gonna start at the beginning. We're gonna go up and down and go to the end. It's gonna be nice, beautiful, and smooth. Just a minute.
I'm gonna give it just a minute. I'm gonna let it kind of, it's almost like it melts into the wall. Like, I know any painter's gonna be like, she is crazy, okay? Like, you can't even see my face. That's how crazy I am. It's almost like it melts into the wall, but it's not really melting into the wall. So that's why I put it on and I give it just a second, because then you can see it change.
Well, here we are on day 2 and we're gonna do the trim now. Originally I was going to do the painting on the wall, but we can't find the tape. So we're gonna do the trim so we can put stuff away and find the tape. But here's our trim. Here's our trim. I'm going with a MDF, and I am going, I live in a farmhouse, so I'm going to do the very thick, chunky baseboards and trim because it goes with farmhouse. And it's also a lot easier because you don't have to do all the angles. You just butt everything up against each other and it ends up looking fabulous at the end. So let's get started. All right, guys. Now, when you're using power tools, you need to put safety first. Okay? Don't try to be a badass. Okay? So I have these gigantic things I have to put over my eyes. And because I'm in this teeny tiny ass room, I'm gonna be using power tools. I use these. And then I have gloves. I look so stupid. But this is what we gotta do, be safe, man. Alright? We don't want no missing fingers, no missing limbs. We don't want any of that. So we gotta be safe. Alright? So, let's get started. Alright? Alright, first I need to really clean these because they're kind of gross. So we're gonna clean them and then we can get started, okay? Now, because I live in an old house, I'm going to measure and make sure the other side is 80 as well. one side's off 1/4 inch. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut it 1/4 inch shorter because I want my top piece to be completely level, okay?
I'm using a clamp because I only have 2 hands, so I can't hold everything all by myself. So. There you go, guys. We got a closet done. Look at that. Girl power. Alright, did you see that? That was like a glove, baby. Like a glove. Now I'm going to skip this wall behind me.